So hello everyone. We are going to set up the monkeys repo. So a few things before cloning and setting it up. So the monkeys is built on Next.js and we are deploying it on Netlify as of now. Uh, this is a mono repo setup. As you can see that we have a different packages and there's a PNPM workspace YAML file which defines our different packages. Why monorepo? Because monorepo allows us to basically package everything related to our code in one single repo, and it also lets us create many different pipelines and CI/CD scripts to deploy different things. Uh, so yeah, without further ado, let's get in. So I'm going to first clone the repo. So since I clone repos in work tree, that's why I'm providing a bare flag. But this is not relevant to you. You can just normally clone it. Okay, I haven't spelling mistake there. Correct that. This is going to take a while. So yeah, I mean it is also good if you have PNPM already installed. Since it simplifies a lot when installing dependencies. But since I do not have PNPM, it's equally okay. We can just use Node, and we have already packaged PNPM in our repo itself. You'll see this in a second. I'm going to add the main repo. The package.json, you can see there is an install deps command. Will let you install the packages if you don't have PNPM. But if you have PNPM, just do PNPM install. Uh, since my repos are already cached, it just takes a few seconds, but it might take you 30 seconds or up to a minute to clone all, sorry, to download all the packages. Uh, search engine. But uh, yeah, so now we can actually just run our application. So if you do turbo run dev, you'll see it starts a local host and it is accessible 3000 port. This is taking a while to compile, but yeah, you'll see our one key is local host here. Now, there are few things that you also need to set up. So first of all is a backend server or a dev server. So if you have the backend installed locally, you can just run the backend and provide the URLs in the front end config. So we, for that config, we actually have a .env file, which you need to include in the apps slash the monkeys directly. So I'm going to quickly add this .env.local file. And quickly also copy the env example that we have provided in the repo. And as for the URL, still, I'll be using the dev server, but if you are running your backend on the local host, then you have to provide the gateway URL that we are using for hosting the backend. The monkeys dev server is dev.themonkey, sorry, monkeys.support slash APS. Similarly, have WS for our WebSocket, but the URL is pretty much the same. The You can ignore that, and since we are not using any next auth, you can also ignore this. Now let's run the server again. Cool. It is giving us course error. Now, why it is giving us course error? Because our dev server only accepts command from our host domain, which is monkeys.com.co. Uh, to solve this, you need to create an entry in your etc host file. So I have already did that, but I'm going to show you how the code looks like. So do slash etc host, you actually need to add this particular line in slash etc host file and run your monkeys on local dot monkeys.com.co instead of that local monkeys. So here you can see it has given us, it is not giving us the cause error now, and we can successfully load our feed. Yeah, that's it for the front end setup. This is pretty much it. You can run different APIs, test different stuff out. And if you have any further questions or having any trouble with setting up the repo or running the repo, you can simply ask in the Discord server. We're always active there. Thank you very much.